You know why the eagle is called the king of the sky? Because when storms arrive, it doesn't escape. It rises above them. And if you truly understand the eagle mentality, your life will never be the same again. So, before we begin, subscribe to the channel because this story might awaken the strongest version of you. And if you've ever faced pain, pressure, or loneliness, like this video, because this story is for warriors. When storms arrive, most birds hide. But the eagle flies higher. While the world runs from pressure, the eagle uses pressure to rise. That is the difference between ordinary people and legends. Every bird seeks shelter when the storm comes, but the eagle has a different mentality. It understands something others never learn. Storms are not sent to destroy you. Storms are sent to reveal you. Pressure creates fear in weak minds, but pressure creates power in strong ones. Eagles fly alone, not because they hate others, but because they understand a powerful truth. You cannot fly higher while carrying people who fear heights. The eagle protects its focus, its energy, its vision. While others waste time complaining, the eagle keeps climbing. There comes a painful moment in an eagle's life, a moment where it must choose, stay comfortable or transform. The eagle breaks its old beak, removes old feathers, endures isolation, pain, silence, because growth demands sacrifice, and greatness is never born inside comfort. The eagle does not ask for an easy life. It asks for stronger wings. It turns pain into wisdom, fear into focus, pressure into power. And that is why, when the storm finally arrives, the eagle rises above it all. So when life becomes difficult, do not run from the storm. Become the eagle. Rise higher. Protect your vision. Walk alone if necessary. And remember, the same storm that destroys weak minds creates unstoppable souls. If this story inspired you, subscribe now and begin building your eagle mentality, because the world does not remember those who hide from storms. It remembers those who rise above them.